Kasukar jala lamba katna koi kakya kalabu thoman plena umta ta yo ya covid hospital batmai bapan bit biang hati bi hospital bana sauli hadin ga jingdan gi bri be bet thamai de khyang jupang kan ki hostat kamtam e ha is khas hills na kaliang menteri koi kakya pa el hek bakaran hadin ga jinjurep ulong ba ga jin sulak lang bat DHS kumjo ba ki officer katna koi kakya kila rai bat pap biang shwa san phojin thia khnang ban yo sang shwa ga jing sumar hagani ga ju usngi menteri relate uban play covid care center Malai Argentina berpen bimbang Kamarori Yuva Manch Shillong dekat kejenteri lang Marori Samaj Habalika Vidalia School Kitirut nam taban pensa igbio Covid.
I and myself and DHSMI, Dr. Amanmar, we went to see the preparations of the new COVID hospital there at Saudi at TB Hospital building. But along with the official of the health department. So the preparation is going very fast, and according to the DHSMI and also official of the health department yesterday when we discussed with them, they told it will be ready 50 beds with all the facilities, with the oxygen facilities and other facilities will be ready today evening for 50 beds. So that's COVID hospital, the new COVID hospital. It is meant for 100 beds and 50 beds will be ready now. So we are going to start immediately with 50 beds and continuing with the remaining 50 beds to complete 100 beds soon. But to make it functional, for benefit of the people, those are suffering from the COVIDs, those having this symptomatic, it can be admitted in this new COVID hospital at Saudi. To health department, they are preparing, and tomorrow also in the afternoon at 12:30, along with the district magistrate, the DC, the officials of the health department, DHSMI, we are going for the inspection of the another new COVID hospital to make preparations tomorrow there at Umrah MCH hospital. After the inspection, if it is feasible to convert temporarily to the COVID hospital, that also will be the next new COVID hospital for 50 beds. Also, we have inaugurated the Corona Care Center there at Balika School Cantonment area with 32 beds. That is only for the female